Hello everybody! I thought today we'll talk about Modulight a little bit different. We are living extraordinary times, so like now I should be in San Francisco in Photonics West, but here I am in Finland and Tampere on ice rink. So, what does this all has to do with data centers, lidars, artificial intelligence and such kind of things? Well, I guess nothing other than, well, we are on artificial ice rink. First time this season in Tampere. Okay, here we are back at the Modulight factory, and I'll show you some things around here. We are putting in place 27 million USD investment program and expanding production capacity. Here we are at the Modulight factory backyard, and this is our production area here, and what we have been doing and basically finishing now here is doubling our production capacity area, and soon we'll be installing a lot of new equipment and manufacturing capabilities here. Welcome to Modulight production hall. So in the background you see our one of our clean rooms. We have 3 of them here in the existing production hall, and we've been operating optoelectronics semiconductor process for 20 years now, and now putting in some new stuff and increasing capacity. But already now we are manufacturing GaN-MOS and phosphide-based laser diodes, and delivering products from 400 nanometers to 2000 nanometers from our fab. Welcome to Modulight booth in Photonics Fest 2021. Remotely this time, but what can you do? So here we have also a kind of selection of different type of products we are offering today and over past 20 years. We started off with semiconductor laser diodes for optical communication, and later on for other type of applications too, with high power lasers and so on. Then the next we have here laser subsystems for different type of biomedical and industrial systems, and here this is one of the biomedical laser devices, actually oncology laser for treating brain cancer that we are having in clinical trials as we speak in Germany. And, so you kind of get the spread of products and type of technologies we are offering and have developed over the past 20 years. Okay, welcome to Lime Lounge. So you saw that we also bought pizza oven in our investment program, and well, our laser artists like that very much. Also the very delicious meals that our own master chef cooks us on a daily basis. But you have now seen what Modulight has done in the past, and also what kind of products we are manufacturing today, and what about the future? Here we try to kind of collect what the future is about for all of us, and we found this publication by Forbes. They were listing 25 things that are kind of hot and something to look into in this decade, and we were actually surprised ourselves that Modulight is involved in 20 of those 25 technologies that are hot things in this decade. And this ranges from autonomous driving to genomics, 5G and quantum computing and security and things like that. So exciting years ahead too. Here you see the latest addition to our product offering. This is cloud-connected and iPad-controlled ophthalmic medical laser system, and kind of demonstrates nicely the depth of technologies that Modulight has today. So you've seen how we manufacture laser diode chips in our own fab, design and manufacture laser subsystems based on those, and also nowadays complete medical devices that are cloud connected and kind of enables us to offer in the future products that support personalized medicine and better life. Hope to see you soon in some of the future applications.